Hey guys, welcome to Phone Browser, and today we'll bring a special edition phone for you. It's from the IQOO and BMW. So this phone is the model name is IQOO 10Pro, and it's IQOO BMW Motorsport. So it's the fourth generation of the IQOO BMW phone. And today I will talk on the smartphone from several aspects, from the design specifications like the camera, battery, processor, screen, and chips, and also the other main features that I think I should mention in this very simple and very quick review video. And so first, I think the first time when you get this phone, the most impressive one is the BMW element, like the red, black, and blue colors element of the BMW. They use this phone, and also besides the smartphone, the box, they have a special edition box. We can find the IQOO logo and the BMW logo and the motorsport and the premium partner names, words in front of the box. And also besides the box, they provide a soft case, silicon case. It also have the print the IQOO and the BMW logo, and also they provide a IQOO BMW car card. Yes. You know, this time the IQOO, they don't work. Actually, they doesn't work directly with BMW cars. Just work with the motorsport, the racing sport cars of the BMW, not the BMW the parent group. So these are the BMW elements that we can find in this special edition phone. And let's talk back to the smartphone. It's have the very simple design, especially when we check the back side. It's have here is the shining, the black part is the camera zone part, and also we can find some carbon fiber lines here. We change the logo, change the angle, and also then the second part and the other part is use the luxury leather material, and when we touch it, we can feel it feels very comfortable and not easy to left your fingerprint on it. And also the IQOO logo was printed on the classical BMW three color lines. So this is about the BMW element on this phone. And also this time for the IQOO 10Pro, they used a cover screen. So you can find here, they use a cover screen. So it can get very good display performance on this phone. And besides the actually this is not the first BMW phone, and I can show you the first generation BMW phone. It's like this. Yes, this IQOO 7, and compared to the first generation, they really did a lot of improvement. Like the lines before it's not so shiny and not so attractive, but this time it's more attractive when we check it. Yes, it's more attractive. And also this time the IQOO brand name was printed on the three color lines. And also the first generation is big bezels, and it's not curved screen. But for this one, the new one is have a totally much big screen, and also the display performance is much better than the first generation. Yes, like this one is one almost 2 years. You have the Snapdragon 888. For this one, they have the Snapdragon 8 Plus, the newest generation. So when we compare the design, this one they improve a lot on design. It's much simple and much more attractive, I think. Also, for the case, this time they provide a softer silicon case. For the first generation, you see they just have a transparent plastic case. It looks much cheaper, but this one looks much better and feels more comfortable. For the left case, it's much comfortable. And for this, it's cheap, yes. And okay, let's go back to talk on the specifications of this latest model 10, the IQOO 10Pro. For this one, this time they have the much better, much bigger size. As I mentioned, it's have a 164 length, 75 width, and 9.5 mm depth. So it's not so big actually, and also the screen size is not so big as well. It's a 6.78 inch screen. So totally speaking, the phone is a slim screen, and it's not so big, easy to hand it on your hand and easy to control with one hand. Yes. And also about the other specifications, the screen, yes, I mentioned the size is actually is a very good quality and design screen. This time the 2K E5 material, and it supports 120 Hz refresh rate, and also it supports the LTPO 3.0. It can change the rate adaptedly to the different situations. And also this one is an AMOLED screen, and the punch hole here is very small punch hole in the middle of the screen, and it also supports 300 Hz touch rate. So there's no doubt this screen is one of the best screen you can find in the market. And also for the resolution is 1340, so it's also can get very vivid display performance on this phone. And also for the others I mentioned, for the processor, this time they have the Snapdragon 8 Plus processor. It's a 4 nm technology producing technology. It support up to maximum 3.2 GHz, and also it have a 12 plus 512 GB RAM and ROM, and also it have a 4 GB visual RAM. So it's very fast. No matter you play big games or run big applications, there's no worry about the speed. Will not lag behind. And also they have the Android 12, the new Android system on this phone as well. So this about the processor, and also the ROM. You have LPDDR5 and UF 3.1. So with this, these are the basic specifications for the most flagship models. So this phone has it. So no worry about the processor speed, processing efficiency. So this is about the processor, and also the camera. And this time they have a triple rear camera system, the 50 megapixel main camera and 50 megapixel wide angle, and also 60 megapixel long lens, and also for the front camera is 60 megapixel. And like this time I showed you for the real triple rear camera, the main one is a Gen 5 Samsung. It's a f1.8 aperture. Is a big sensor. Also for the wide angle is have I showed some. Yes, for the wide angle, when you choose this normal wide angle, yes, my hand is here. Normal, we cannot find my hand, and wide angle, no, my hand is here. So it have the 150 degrees super wide angle, and also for the lens is have 3 times lens, 3 times zoom, and also totally with the optical zoom and digital zoom support up to 40 times zoom performance of the camera. It's also one of the best cameras that the IQOO series can provide. For one front one is have a distant front camera as well. It's have a 16 megapixel front camera. Yes, we can get the details when we take the front pictures. As you can see, the walls and the lines, it's very cleanly and with the good quality screen, so you can see the pictures in a very good situation as well. And also the most important one I think I should mention is about the battery and the charging. This one time they have a not so big battery, it's only 4,700, but this time the charging speed is amazing fast. It's have the world's fastest charging speed. With this phone, it have a 200 watt fast charging cable fast charging. So in 10 minutes, it can get from 0% to 100%. It's so fast actually. And also besides the cable fast charging, it can support 50 watt wireless charging and also 10 watt reverse wireless charging. So yes, this is the very standout point of this phone for the charging speed. And each time when we talk about IQOO, the charging speed is the main advantages, and also we can find the cables is very good quality. It's much bigger than the normal cables. Here I show you some cables like this. Yes, you can find the comparison is much bigger than the normal. Yes, you can see. Yes, longer, and the width is much wider than the normal cables. And also you can find the yes 20 watt to 200 watt fast charging. So this is amazing fast. You will not have the battery shortage when you use this phone. It's amazing fast. And so this is a quick talking on this phone, on the IQOO 10Pro. And if you really interested in this phone, you can check the official website and find more information there. And for the camera, I think I lost one is the V1 Plus, the on developer chips. This one chips is the camera support OIS and EIS. So it's this phone with the chips, you can get better performance of portrait mode and night mode, and also the anti-shake performance on this phone is pretty good. So this is a very powerful chips they used. Yes, so this is a basic and very quick introduction on this model of the IQOO 10Pro. Hope you like it, and you can find more information on the website. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Thanks. Bye bye.